Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Link is still trying to form a low here in this region, but so far not really with much success. I mean, the upside momentum is just missing. I talked about it before, highlighted that, yep, the wave 2 could have bottomed here. I mean, after we have a 5-wave move up, we've seen that 5-wave move up right into the March highs, then the corrective pullback here into the July lows, 5th of July. Attempted reversal, yeah, for sure, but only attempted so far. We haven't even seen a sustained break above the green line here. That would be important. Maybe Link is forming something that we might call an inverse head and shoulders, with the left shoulder here, the head, and the right shoulder here. Bit of an ugly one, but sometimes they are ugly, and we just need that breakout above the, you could say, $14.90 level. It's a bit of a range here, but basically here around 1480 to 1490, a break above would, yeah, confirm the beginning, or let's say, no, not the beginning, but would confirm that a C wave of wave 3 is unfolding. And then we should get another 4-5 pattern. And then we have 5 waves up from the 5th of July low. At the moment, we are struggling due to that structural resistance and can't really get above, right? And I'm still observing higher prices, the possibility, but it nearly looks as if we will get another low now. The chart is just not hurrying up while Bitcoin is moving higher, completing its pattern. Link hasn't managed to form 5 waves. So some coins have, potentially. A lot of coins haven't. Yeah? So I'm just thinking of Matic, just thinking of Gala. Many others have not managed to complete a 5-wave pattern to the upside from the 5th of July low. Some are questionable, like ADA, Sui. But Link definitely hasn't formed a 5-wave move. So if we are working on a 5-wave pattern, then this move up would be considered a diagonal pattern as per the yellow wave count. There were always different interpretations that are valid. I could say that this here is a 1-2, and this might have been the A wave. This is now a B wave pullback. As long as we're holding 1236, we could watch for higher. Now, if I just move the support area slightly lower, then I could call all of this a 1-2 setup, 1-2, and that would be 3 waves in wave 1, which means a much larger diagonal could be unfolding. So this is only a support zone which is not so reliable, I'd say, and the lower support level is at 1170, but the invalidation point for the yellow count, that's down here. That's down here, because even the B wave could even overshoot to the downside if it needs to. So invalidation is the red line. It is at $11.05 pretty much, at $11. So as long as we're holding $11, the yellow count has a chance, but it definitely has a lot to prove. I think I mentioned in one of the previous signals on our Discord server where I highlighted that any break above the green line, if it's a convincing break, will make me believe, you could say, that the yellow wave count is really unfolding. At the moment, it's very balanced probabilities, very balanced. It hasn't confirmed a trend change yet, just hasn't done it. But a break above that green line, that critical level, would confirm that further, in my opinion. If we get another low, that means first breaking below that 1170 level, then a break below the $11 level. Well, I would assume that we're testing sort of this area next. Next support levels are $9.50 and $8.90. Obviously, bear in mind the $10 level is psychological support, but it's not structural support, just psychologically and important. And then below that, $6.89, which I don't assume necessarily we will see, but sort of $10.66, $9.50, $8.90 next. So from there, the price can still attempt another reversal. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.